thank you for part 2. Part 2 about the DIY.
Huh?
Barbie's confused. And then she read it and it says,
Wow. Oh.
Barbie's so, I don't know, but she's so sleepy. Mommy, wake up. So the children saw it too. So they come and look. What is our OMG? Are these DIY of fidgets?
Yeah.
That's right, guys. These are DIY fidgets. Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode. Today, I'm going to DIY some fidgets, and I made this by myself. It says DIY. Wait. It says here DIY of fidget. This is a dimple edition, create with love. This is the menu, so we're in the dimple edition. So will we get a circle, flower, or a simple dimple? Is it Barbie? Barbie, wake up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There are chitlins?
What's in here?
Barbie, there's a basket in your head. Barbie, wake up. Right, kids?
Yes, Auntie. What should I say? I don't know, but yes. Yes, Mrs.
Okay.
What this is?
Now let's hi guys.
Hey.
So hi guys.
Me.
Come on.
That's my turn.
Come on, kids. Don't bother me first. So let's open
Look,
it.
Auntie.
So now let's open the dimple edition first.
Wow.
But we actually need a scissor. So I have this scissor right now with me. I cut the edges.
Is that real?
Yeah, it is real. I just don't go. And cut it. Now let's see the outside.
Look at this. This is my fishy. This cute fishy.
Don't look it.
This is my fish.
What is the inside?
Oh, there's a hey.
There it is. Wait. I think that's all. Okay.
Guys, this is a toy. OMG. No, that's my fish. It's a whip fish. That's a real water over there.
Okay, kids, can you please don't bother me?
Oh. Okay. I think this toy.
So, these are the things we have to, examples, instructions. Ooh, and these are the
Look,
things
this
prepared.
thing.
So, these are the things, and it said prepare. Okay. Scissors, papers, and tape. Gems, rings, glitters, and stickers, but I don't need them because I just want to prepare these. Not this, but I already wear tape and a scissor. Right here, the scissor.
Ooh.
And then that's a hat. I know it's a hat.
I don't like to stay here.
Kids, you have to sleep. It's almost. You have to take a nap. Okay, kids?
Okay, Mommy.
So they go to bed. And then her mom make a food for them. Shh, let's make it not noisy. The kids are actually sleeping. And then these are the examples or instructions like these. It says first, tape the edge. Okay, these are the things that we have. 2 dimples. And this one, and So let's bend it like this and take a T. Of course, right, guys? I'm gonna break my camera right there for a sec. Here it is, the tape.
I think my drawing is most detailed.
It's going to take some ages, so I'm going to like pause the video for a second.
Let's go like
Okay, guys?
and
Done. I already taped this one and this one. So now let's take these two and open one. There we go. And then let's try taking the perfect taping with, okay. Come on. Here it is. I think it's not much. I think I have to pause this video for a second. Bye. Okay, here are they. So I think it is like a simple dimple right here. So now when we're done, I'm gonna take the edges. No, not yet. Then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna see perfect. So it's this way. This way. No, it's upside down. Okay. I have to always check the downs because I kind of forgot. Here it is. Now I'm gonna take the other ones. Done. So I'm done with this. So now let's try pressing it. It works so well, guys. OMG, I like it. OMG. I really love it, guys. Now please come back for part 2. I'm gonna see you in the next chapter. Or should I say, next video. And please comment and subscribe to this channel. And then please hit that notification right there. Comment if you want to know if you want to like DIY something, like asking me what can I make. And please come for part 2 for the squishy edition.